back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. So, as we know, Rakhi is on 3rd August, and honestly, Rakhi is one of my favorite festivals, but because of the lockdown and because of the situation outside, इस बार क्या है, राखी खरीद तो नहीं सकते. मतलब I am not going to go out and purchase Rakhis, of course. And we were like just discussing, me and my mom were discussing कि हम लोग बस वो मोली बांध के राखी कर लेंगे, सिंपल एकदम सिंपल रखेंगे, एकदम सिंपल रखेंगे. बट देन इट हिट मी दैट आई डू हैव लाइक अ बंच ऑफ रैंडम स्टफ एट होम एंड मोली भी है, सब कुछ है घर पे. तो व्हाई नॉट ट्राई एंड मेक लाइक अ homemade rakhi. Like I'll try and do a DIY rakhi. Like I'll try a few designs. I've obviously not done it before, but I kind of know how to do it and everything, and I do have a lot of like junk stuff. So I thought I'll do it, and I also thought that, you know, since all of us are at home, तो हो सकता है किसी और को भी अगर ये आइडिया चाहिए हो. So I thought I'll just record a video and show you how to make like a DIY rakhi. I don't really know how this will turn out right now, but I hope it works out, because yeah, I really hope so. So this will be just like a fun DIY video. I hope I don't screw it up. I hope ठीक ठाक बन जाए, because I really love Rakhi. तो मेरे को एंड थोड़ा सा एक स्पेशल टच भी हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी कांट सेलिब्रेट इन अ ह्यूज मैनर दिस टाइम. तो अगर होम में DIY खुद की बनाई हुई राखी होगी तो एक स्पेशल टच हो जाएगा. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट. एंड इफ यू गाइज एंड अप वॉचिंग दिस एंड लाइक काइंड ऑफ मेकिंग इट फॉर योर ओन ब्रदर एज वेल, देन इट वुड बी स्पेशल फॉर हिम ऑल्सो, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो फील वेरी स्पेशल बिकॉज यू ऑल वॉच माई वीडियो एंड मेड द राखी. विदाउट फर्दर ado, let's just get started. So the basic things that you need to make a rakhi at home are some thread. You can use a moli, or you can use some threads that are used for sewing. Normal सबके घर पे होता है. If possible, you can use a silk thread, but because मेरे पास नहीं था, I am using just a normal thread which has a little bit glaze in it. Next, we need a piece of plastic which is neither too soft nor too hard. We obviously need a good pair of scissors which are sharp and precise, and we need glue. If you have fabric glue or a glue gun, that would be ideal, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to use this Fevigum. So both me and my mom are pretty big hoarders, so anything pretty that we get, or something which cannot be, there's no practical use to it, like this broken blouse के पीछे जो लगता है वो चीज़, or an earring जिसका दूसरा पैर नहीं मिल रहा, anything which is broken. We like to collect all this for no reason at all, and finally it's coming to use. So if you have such random stuff where you have such broken earrings and pearls, get that together. The first step is taking any thread of your choice, and उसके बाद एक 2-inch कार्डबोर्ड या कोई भी एक अच्छे width की चीज़ को लेके we will make such rounds and wrap it around. Approximately 200 से 250 राउंड्स करने से अच्छा फ्लावर बनेगा, which will be like really nice and pretty. I'm using my phone here because I didn't have anything else at that moment. I would suggest not to use your phones because it's very hard to take it out after you're done. You have to slide it out easily, and उसके बाद we're gonna tie a thread पतला सा in the center, and it'll become kind of like a bow. Make sure you have tied the knot really nicely so that it doesn't like open up, and then we're gonna cut from the edges. I'm using Baba Adam के ज़माने की कैंची, but turns out it's sharper than the new ones. Weird life, but हाँ, cut it from the edges, and after that we're gonna open it up like this. Make sure there are no loops and everything's cut. Using a pocket comb or any fine tooth comb, just kind of comb through the flower. The point is that it should be even and smooth, तो उसके लिए cut from the sides if required, and keep combing it nicely till it's very nice and even. Next, we're gonna take a small piece of plastic and cut it into a small box and stick it at the back side of the flower, like whichever side I'm thinking about the back, I just have to stick that, and we're gonna keep it aside to dry. After it's dried for a few minutes, I added this little bead and a red colored ring, and voila, the flower is ready. I created 3 other flowers using the same technique. I'm going to create the base thread for the green one, that's why I've taken a green thread. I'm gonna take it out at a certain length and make about 50 to 75 loops from it. The same technique has to be used with another colored thread. You can also use 3 colors, 4 colors, or just one color. That's totally up to you depending how thick and colorful you want your base thread to be. Make sure the threads are properly nice and even. You tie them together and then kind of knit them together. It's very easy to do, and just make sure to tie 2 knots at the end and the top. Just apply some glue on the back where we had stuck the plastic, and make sure the flower lies in the middle of the string. And if you want, you can add some extra glue from the top and also secure it with the help of a sellotape if you need. And this is the final product, the Rakhi that I made. Just kidding. Obviously, this is an old Rakhi that my mom had. But these are the Rakhis that I made. After you've stuck the flower and the thread together, just make sure to keep it to dry overnight. That would be ideal. And that's it, that the Rakhis are ready. I'll just get into the details of the Rakhis that I made because I'm excited. So this was the first one I made even before making the video, just to see if I can make a video, and it turned out okay-ish. I don't like it that much. The next that I went was this one. This was pretty easy because I already had like a matching thread. The next one was this one, where I took just like 2 threads and knitted them together. I had this ball. It's very pretty. I really like this one. In this one I added 2 extra beads, and I kept the flower a little small because my dad actually suggested me कि राखी पहनने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है अगर ज़्यादा बड़ा flower है. So I was done making all the others, and he just told me make it a little smaller if you can. So I tried doing that. I think so this was the final one, and this was, I think, the easiest for me to do. I just had to knit some beads and broken earring parts into a thread. Unfortunately, the footage for this didn't get recorded properly, so I can't show you how to do it, but it's actually very easy. So if you have like certain beads and pearls and you want to knit like this, just message me on Instagram and I'll tell you how to make this. Like I'll guide you through it because this was actually the easiest to do. So yeah, these were the Rakhis that I made, and if you liked it and if you are interested in making it, then please don't forget to like this video and comment and let me know what are your thoughts on these Rakhis. And if you do learn from this and make it for your own brother or maybe even your sister, then please do share the pictures of that and just let me know. It would mean a lot to me.